This episode of Outside of the Box Unboxing, where we take routers out of the box and use out of the box thinking, deals with the Teltonika devices. Currently, I have a RUTM50, and I'm going to show you just a cool little thing to do with remote access via the RMS portal. Um, Currently, I have a mini Windows 11 PC hooked up to the RUTM50. Let's just say, for example, this is in a remote location where I need to not only manage the router, but I need to manage the device, whether I use RDP or SSH or Telnet, etc. I'm just going to show you some cool ways to do that. Normally, you would have to have secondary software, licensing, etc. But with the RUT series and other routers and switches, we can go ahead and use remote access. So we can add and we can scan the device. So it's going to scan all of the ports and IPs that are connected. I know that this is my Windows 11 machine and I want to use RDP. So I can give it a name if I wanted to, and I can go ahead and add it. And what we can do now is I can connect remotely from wherever I am to this device that's plugged into the RUT M50 using remote access. So it's going to do all of its things. It already made all the rules it needed. I just got to type in my super secret password of admin. And here we are. I am now using the device. As you can see, it's today. No trickery here. 5-minute delay, but that's just how I roll. But yeah, you can do that with all kinds of computers, Linux, operating systems, Mac, etc. It does use the SSH. It can use Telnet. It can use other connections. Here I'm demonstrating with RDP, but I'm able to do all the things that I need, all the important stuff, like the solitaire. So there you have it. If you ever need to think of a way to manage the PC, but you already have a RUT M50 out there, this is the way to do it. And as always, thank you for choosing ConnectUs and have a great day.